a look at the pentatonic scale. There are 5 positions on the pentatonic scale. We're going to look at one which focuses on the root note of A, 5th fret on the low E. First of all, why is it called a pentatonic scale? Well, it comes from the Latin words penta and tonus, penta meaning 5, and tonus meaning sound or tone. So it's a scale which has 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those notes are A, C, D, E, G. And again, A, C, D, G, E. And just for good measure, it's got an extra A and a C on the bottom because they're part of the scale. So we start off on the A, the 5th fret on the low E, move into the C, which is the 8th fret on the low E, and then we go to the D note, which is the 5th fret on the A string, moving on to the E, which is the 7th fret on the A string, and the last note, the G, which is the 5th fret on the D string. A, C, D, E, G, and then it repeats again. A, C, D, E, G. And you can also use a progression with chords. So this scale is quite often used in blues or rock. You can get some really good riffs on there. Add in a few pull-offs, hammer-ons. So that's one of the positions in the pentatonic 5 scale, guitar scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E, G.